So before we start our tutorials, let me introduce to you our web page here, which is bimklue.teachable.com. Okay, so as BIM are getting more important nowadays, we have prepared you a series of video tutorials for you to learn by your own pace. Okay, we have MEP electrical, energy simulation and cooling load analysis, and MEP swimming pool services is mostly based on the tutorial of MEP equipment modeling and piping modeling. Okay, so we have HVAC services modeling and architecture step-by-step modeling. Okay, so this is our students all around the world. We have a very good review from them, and after you enroll to our course, we will provide you technical support. If you face any difficulties throughout the course, you can always keep in touch with us throughout our web page and WhatsApp. Also, we will ready to answer your question. Okay, let's click on one of our tutorials. Have a look. The HVAC services. This is our course page, and we have brief introduction to our course, and these are the contents. Then this is the duration of the courses of each topics, and this is the brief introduction to our courses, and you can look into our video here. We have a short introduction of our course. Okay, the cost, the pricing of the plan is very flexible. You can pay on monthly or you can pay on one shot. Okay, and it's very affordable for such a detailed step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so let's start with our tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. So we have so far finished all the modeling of the architecture models, and then structure, and then our MEP services. Okay, the next thing we need to do is normally we need to produce drawings. Okay, so first of all, I need to link in all the services into this model here. We can go to manage here, and then we link up more of our models. Let's find our models here, and then here we have this is our aircon services, and then we have link in cold water and sanitary services. Now the remaining is the electrical services. Okay, then click open, then we click OK. So these are all the electrical services. So if you remember, we have learned how to adjust our view by using the view template. Okay, so we can create a view filter here to filter out the services with different colors. So first of all, you need to go to VG here, the filter here. We have all this kind of filter. Okay, we add in more, which is the electrical filter. Let's say okay, I create a new filter like here. Like here, we go to VG again, then the filter. We have domestic, cold water filter, refrigerant, sanitary, and vent. Okay, we can adjust the color that you want. Let's say domestic cold water. Let's check it out. This filter, we go to edit and new, and we check this domestic. Okay, what we have here, this is the filters. The user interface allowed you to create your own filters to filter out your services. Okay, if you remember, we are drawing this all this piping here under certain system type. Let's say we go to here. This is the drain, system type of drain, and then this one is under system type of refrigerant. Okay, and then this one, okay, refrigerant. Okay, let's go to VG again. We go to this filter, domestic. Let's see what we have here. We have domestic, then okay, we scroll down. Okay, pipe accessory, pipe installation, pipes that it contains the system classification of domestic will be filtered out under this. Okay, So let's create our own filter. We click on this new here, new filter. Let's say my domestic cold water filter. Okay, then next one is define the rules of the filter. So we scroll it down, we pick everything here. Let's say P, we start with P. Okay, any pipe accessories, pipe fittings, pipe insulation, pipes equals to the system type equals to domestic cold water will be filtered out. Okay, let's apply, then okay. Then we can add in our own filter. Before that, we delete all the unnecessary one. Okay, we remove, and remove. We add in our own filter, my domestic cold water filter. Click on apply. Then you can try to override your domestic cold water piping to different color. Let's say I want it to be solid color, and then purple color. Yes, okay, this one. Click on apply, then okay, then apply, okay. So now you can see all the cold water piping and fittings accessories all become purple color. But it's not normal. We can change it back to the blue color. That's what we have normally done. Blue color. Okay. Apply, then okay. So of course this one red color is under domestic hot water. Okay, domestic hot water is under red color. It should be fine. We go to filter again. We create our own filter. I add in the refrigerant filter. Let's say I need to check what we have here inside this refrigerant filter. Okay, every piping, pipe accessories, pipe insulation, pipes that have the system type equals to refrigerant will be filtered out. Okay, and that's what we need. We click OK, then we override our piping here to solid. Then the color, let's say I want it to be like a light purple color. Then OK, lightweight is 1. Then OK, apply. Then OK. So this is our aircon piping, which have a different color. Okay. So next one is the drain pipe. We go back to the VG again, filter. We add in our drain pipes. If you don't have drain filter here, we going to add it, and then we can create new, or we duplicate our own my domestic cold water filter here. Let's click duplicate. Then we rename it as my drain filter. Okay, then we check the rules. Since I've copied from the previous filter, so these pipe fittings, pipe insulation are automatically selected. Okay, then we go to system type equals to drain will be filtered out. Click OK. Then we put inside our filter here. Then click OK. Add into here. Then the drain pipe, I need to override it to different color. Let's say I want it to be brown color like this. Then I click OK. So my drain pipe will be filtered out in brown color. Then apply, then OK. So now all the drain pipe related items will become blue, brown color. Okay. So next one, the sanitary piping. We go to VG again, filter, we add in our sanitary filter, which is this one, and okay. Of course you need to check your filter here, what we have included here. Scroll down, every pipe fittings and pipe installation equals to system classification or system type equals to system classification equals to sanitary. Okay, don't have here system type equals to sanitary. It will be automatically filter out. Apply, then okay. Then I want to change my sanitary pipes to orange color, then okay. Line weight is 1, then okay. Apply, then you can see all your sanitary piping change to orange color. Then of course your vent pipe, you add in your vent filter here, vent. Click on edit, then we see every pipe fittings, then system type equals to vent would be filter out. Okay, so now the vent pipe, I need to change my colors to solid, then the colors to maybe magenta color, maybe a pink color, magenta, then okay. Line weight is 1, then okay. Apply, okay. So now these are the color filters apply here. Then of course we need to filter out the electrical services. Let's say I go to VG again, then we go to filter, add my filter. I don't have electrical filter here, so I need to click on edit or new. Then I click on new filter, which is my electrical filter. Then okay. So now we need to go to here, electrical equipment, electrical fixture. Then lighting device, lighting fixture. So I don't have rules here, so you don't need to click on any rules because all are defined here. Any lighting fixture, electrical fixture will be filtered out. Okay, then apply, then okay. Then this is your electrical filter. Then you need to override it with one color. Let's say I want it to be green color, deep green. Okay, so you can easily be seen after printing out. Okay, don't choose the color that's too bright because it will affect your presentation after your print out. Okay, so this one, okay, click apply, then okay. So now, even though you don't have any rules here, but any lighting fittings, lighting fixture will be filtered out, become a green color. Okay, so that's what we need. The next thing that we need to do is, of course, we need to produce drawings. Okay, so this will be covered under next session, so stay tuned with us. Thanks for joining.